Hi, I'm Jason Hartman. I've been involved in nearly 10,000 real estate transactions, and I've owned properties in 11 states and 17 cities. My company helps people achieve the American dream of financial independence with income property in prudent markets nationwide. I'm here to help you become wealthy as a real estate investor. You might be unsure of where to start and how to succeed. Subscribe now, and we will help you to reduce your learning curve. You know, the United States has nearly 400 distinct real estate markets, and we take this area-agnostic approach to helping you invest nationwide. There are so many ways to become wealthy as a real estate investor, and on this channel, we will help you analyze not only specific properties, not only specific markets, but analyze yourself and do real financial planning, but apply it to the most historically proven asset class in the entire world, income property. I invite you to join the channel, and you'll receive regular updates, investing hacks, tips, and tricks of the trade. Learn from my experience, learn from the mistakes I've made so that you reduce your learning curve and be a better investor. Welcome to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe now. Happy investing.